just like there's no tomorrow.
Hello, I'm Richie. I'm a student at Padang State University. Here's my daily activity. I usually wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I never forget to tidy up my bed and clean up. Then I take a bath and pray. And then I have a breakfast with my brother in my dining room. We usually have warm coffee, hot milk, and fried rice. After breakfast, I prepare book and turn on my computer. I study and do the assignment until midday. After that, I have lunch and open my social media or just play game in my computer. Then, if I feel sleepy, I take a nap for about 30 minutes. If I still have assignment, I finish it immediately. At the afternoon, I have lunch and pray. I usually play online game or do my homework waiting for the night. At noon, I have dinner and I usually go to sleep at 11 to 12 p.m. When all tasks are finished, I never forget to brush my teeth before I take a bath. That's all my activity. Thank you.